You've probably heard of Wise. They've been around for a while, disrupting the traditional banking world with their promise of cheaper, faster international transfers. But then there's Airwallex, a relative newcomer, making waves with similar claims. So, the burning question is, are these two financial platforms essentially the same? Let's dive in. Imagine this: you're a digital nomad, working from a different country every month. Your clients are scattered across the globe. You need a hassle-free way to manage your finances, receive payments in various currencies, and send money home without getting ripped off by exorbitant fees. Sounds familiar? This is where platforms like Wise and Airwallex come into play. Now, on the surface, they might seem like carbon copies of each other. Both offer multi-currency accounts, low-cost transfers, and debit cards. But is that where the similarities end? Let's peel back the layers and find out. First off, let's talk about their core proposition: cheaper, faster international transfers. Both Wise and Airwallex claim to offer this. But cheaper and faster are relative terms. What does cheaper really mean? Is it the base transfer fee, the exchange rate, or a combination of both? And what about faster? Do they guarantee same-day or next-day transfers for all currencies? These are questions we need to answer. Beyond transfers, both platforms offer multi-currency accounts. This is a game changer for freelancers, online businesses, and frequent travelers. You can hold multiple currencies in one place, eliminating the need for countless bank accounts. But how do these accounts compare? Do they offer the same range of currencies? What about interest rates? Can you use them for everyday spending? Then there's the matter of debit cards. Both Wise and Airwallex provide debit cards linked to your multi-currency account. But are these cards equally convenient? Do they work everywhere? What about fees for ATM withdrawals and foreign transactions? Let's also talk user experience. How easy is it to set up an account? Is the platform intuitive to navigate? How responsive is their customer support? These factors can significantly impact your overall satisfaction. Now, let's talk about hidden fees. It's essential to look beyond the advertised transfer fees. Are there any sneaky charges lurking in the fine print? Inactivity fees, maintenance fees, or currency conversion markups can quickly erode your savings. Finally, let's discuss the target audience. Is one platform better suited for individuals while the other caters more to businesses? Do they offer specific features or pricing plans tailored to different user needs? So, to sum it up, while Wise and Airwallex share some similarities, there are crucial differences that can impact your choice. The best platform for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. It's essential to do your research, compare fees, and read user reviews before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.